Hello friends, welcome to Something Tasty India. Today, I am going to make eggplant curry. It is called brinjal in South Asia and other parts of the world. Here are the ingredients: sliced shallots, onions, curry leaves, cilantro leaves, chopped ginger and garlic. You are welcome to watch this video again if you are unsure of the steps. This recipe serves 4 people. Next I have diced onions, 2 quartered potatoes, grated coconut, green chilies, and diced tomatoes. I have included the ingredients in the description. In a pan, pour 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to season it. Season the oil when the oil is turning warm, so it does not splatter on you. After the oil gets hot, add a 1/4 tablespoon of mustard seeds and wait for them to pop. Now I add the cumin seeds and toast them for about 10 seconds. Remember to lower the flame to medium for the remainder of the cooking of this dish. After the cumin seeds are toasted, I will add my diced onions and sliced shallots and saute them. Then, I add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger over the onions. I stir these until the raw smell is gone. Once that is done, I add the torn curry leaves and 1 green split green chili. You can add 1 or 2 more if you want your curry to be extra spicy. Now I am going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala to season the onions, shallots, ginger and garlic. Stir these until their raw flavors are almost gone. I continue to cook it some more till the onions, ginger, and garlic become a medium brown. The spices I have added also get toasted at the same time. Next I am going to add my potato quarters and stir fry them with the onions, mixing them with the onions, shallots, curry leaves, ginger and garlic. After stirring it a bit, for about 30 seconds, I am going to add a 1/4 cup of water slowly along the side of the pan, so the water will come to a boil rapidly. Then I add the 4 brinjals to saute them along with the 2 potatoes. I'm going to cover and cook it for about 4 minutes till they are halfway soft. Remember to add salt to taste. At the end of 4 minutes, I add 1 tomato cut into quarters to flavor the brinjals and potatoes. I stir the tomatoes in as well. As this was cooking, I blended a paste using half a shredded coconut, half an onion, diced, 1 tomato cut in quarters, and 1 green chili. I will now add this blended paste, along with 1 cup of water to the pan. Use 1/4 cup of water to rinse the blender and pour it into the pan, so you save all the goodness of the blend. I will stir this paste into the water until it becomes a nice and thick gravy. Finally, I garnish the eggplant, brinjal curry with chopped cilantro leaves. I hope you loved watching this video, as I loved making this brinjal curry with potatoes for you. Try this at home today, and let me know how this brinjal curry turned out. Post how your family members liked it, plus your suggestions and feedback in the comments below. Please click like, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. See you soon in my next video.